Hey, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Austin here, and today we're just gonna be playing some Smashy Road. And right now, I just played a couple rounds where, right here, I'm gonna show you something because if that truck right there, watch me, I'm gonna crash into it and boom, I explode. Oh, that was so lucky of me right now because sometimes it could. Ooh, the airport, sick. Okay. Oh, I just juked him so bad. Okay, time for us to escape. Ooh, time for us to escape. Uh-oh, here's the... No, 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 no! Dang it. As you guys can see, I got arrested right now. Let's just watch a small video, but we could gain some money. So I'll be right back once the video's over. Okay, guys, so we're back. And let's just start again. Okay. As you guys can see, we're in the desert right now. Oh, don't crash. Okay. I hate when I crash because they surround me. Oh my god. Oh, the helicopter's on me, so I will never escape. Oh, I'm escaping. Oh, no, I'm escaping. Oh, come on, I can't move anymore now. Dang it. Oh, now I'm on fire. Okay, guys. Gosh, that's so... Are you serious? Guys, we're back, and let's see. Okay, we got 116 cash right now. So after this round, we're gonna be getting another car. Serious? Oh, I landed. That's awesome. Yes. Good thing I landed. Boom. Oh, where am I? What the heck? You saw that glitch, guys? That's awesome that I got it on record, but it's right here. Go. Let's see. And we got a rare. Pretty okay. Ooh, that poison power. This looks sick. Okay. So let's use it for this round. And ooh, look at that, guys. It looks so cool. So green, so I could blend in with the grass. No! Bruh. I did not see that coming. Okay. Okay. Here we go again. Ooh, that drifter. Oh, come on. Ooh, I just flipped that car over. Okay. Oh, no. My car's faster than you guys, so... Dang, we're pretty fast, dude. Look at that. That's speed, though. Oh, the helicopter's on us now. Oh, did I just kill a person? No. Crap, we're stuck. We're stuck. We're stuck. We're stuck. We're stuck. No, 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 no! Dang it! Okay, guys, let's go again. As you guys saw, there was a spot right there, which was crazy. Let's go. Okay. Here's shortcut. No, no shortcut. Then yes, shortcut. We made it through, guys. Okay, so oh, that's the police station. We do not want. Oh, look, the desert. We made it to the desert. Dang it. Ooh. Ooh. Move Move out the way. Okay. Move out the way. Okay, let's go super fast now. If you guys want to download it, it's on Google Play Store. It's called Smashy Road. So the first one that you see, that is a car. Are you serious, dude? Come on. Okay. Well, that did not go as planned. Okay. Okay, look. You guys are gonna see me. Hey guys, you guys can see me. So I'm right here at the doctor's so. Yeah. Also, it's this one. This one, this one, yeah. Smashy Road. And let's go back to the game. Okay. This game is pretty fun, and you don't need Wi-Fi or you don't need to buy it, so which awesome. I just want to go super fast into that truck that explodes. Boom. Oh, I just landed that awesome. Oh, so awesome, dude. No, get away from me, get away from me, get away from me. Yes. No, get away from me, get away from me. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god, it was lagging so hard right there. Oh, come on, I did that backflip. That was an awesome backflip. Oh, this spicy crap. Okay, so they arrested me right now. Come on. Just act normal. What's like the tribute of this game, because it shows that we got awesome. We're just driving and we start getting followed by these cop cars. Like, what the heck? What did I do wrong? No. Oh, look, hiding there. Okay. Go super fast. Okay, guys, we're back. Oh, I'm like on fire. I'm smoking. Oh, I just exploded that one. No. Dang. I wish I was gonna explode, dude. What if it exploded there? Okay. So let's go over. Let's try to find that thing that I was talking about. Boom. Oh, that was awesome. I know. Be right back, guys. Okay, guys. So let's begin another round of Smashy Road. And see how long we could go. You guys can see in top left, it shows our seconds. Oh, come on. So, oh my god. Oh, I landed that. That was so cool. I didn't notice that, dude. Oh, I'm arrested. Crap. So. Okay, let's go. Boom. Oh, that one's fun. Huh? Not on me. Okay, so. Oh, that just exploded that cop car, so they can't get to me. Yeah. Oh, dang it. Never mind. Go. In Roblox Ultimate Driving, this is my car that I'm using right now is basically a Diablo. That's what's it called. Oh, he's smoking bad. He's smoking. Oh, all of them are smoking now. I can't believe I just got away from that. Oh, now he's down. No, the SWAT is on me. Dang it. I just don't want to crash right now. It's been 150 seconds right now, which is about like 2 minutes. Yeah, like 3 minutes almost. Come on, move. Oh my god, this is so cool. No. Yeah, let's go. No. Yeah. Yo, my god, dude. This is so cool. Go. Oh, the army's here now. The army's here. Okay, this is so intense right now. No, I'm gonna explode, dude. Oh, I'm gonna explode. Oh, look at that. This is so crazy, guys. Holy crap. That just exploded. Okay, the SWAT is chasing me. No, my car exploded, dude. What the heck? Well, guys, I'm sorry if this was a short video. It's been like 11 minutes, right? But what the heck's happening? But thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe, and yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.